Alright guys, so we got the truck on our way right now to get the equipment. Picked up everything. Guy was super cool. What is going on, everyone? I'm Brandon B, and today I'm going to be upgrading my small business here at home. So about 2 years ago, I was working for this company that was making custom apparel for big businesses, small businesses, you name it. And it was right around that time that I decided I wanted to do this myself as well as start my own brand. So I decided to start Flair, a name under which I can create all kinds of custom items for people, as well as make my own merch under this name. That was when I decided to get my own vinyl cutter, as well as a small heat press. Then I went to work making custom shirts for people, as well as custom logos, and a few other things. Slowly but surely, I started building up my inventory, getting new pieces of equipment for the business, learning all kinds of different kinds of processes to make custom items and apparel. But a lot of the stuff I learned, I was very limited to what I had. Like shirts, for example. My vinyl cutter can only cut one color at a time, and I couldn't blend anything. Had to be simplified logos. I couldn't do it all. And about a year ago, I quit my job to pursue this business full time. Every day, constantly working on the business, upgrading my things, upgrading my equipment. I wanted to free myself from the limitations that I'd made and that I was under. So I was always investing in the business, always getting new upgrades. And that's what brings us to today. Ladies and gentlemen, I am upgrading my business again. This one's a big one. I am getting into silkscreen printing. I'm going to be able to make all kinds of shirts with silkscreening. This is something that I've been wanting to get into for a long time. Finally took the plunge, got a bunch of equipment, got a bunch of stuff, and now I'm ready to go. And that's why I wanted to share this with you guys today, because an upgrade for me means an upgrade for you guys. I am going to be offering silkscreen printing to you guys, as well as all the other stuff I do. If you didn't know, I could do full colored images on white t-shirts, which is sublimation. I can make custom mugs, bottles, tumblers, you name it. Also, my big one, I make custom stickers for people. Custom stickers has been the main focus of my business right now. That's not all, guys. I recently just started doing custom business cards. So if you guys need custom business cards, custom stickers, custom shirts, I can do it all now, and it starts today. I'm on a journey, guys, and that journey is starting right now in the biggest way possible. So I want you guys to stay subscribed, follow me along this journey, and enjoy the ride. The next video, I will be taking out all the equipment, setting it up, testing it, and maybe print our very first silkscreen shirts. I'm super excited, guys. I've been waiting for this moment for a very long time, and this is only the start. So please come along with me for this journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate every single one of you watching and commenting. It's gonna be a wild ride, guys. Stay tuned. Till next time, I'm Brandon B, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.